Are you struggling or overwhelmed with your vocabulary? Your vocabulary doesn't improve during the time. You feel exhausted memorizing thousands of words. If you are that person, that's done through. Since today, you will know the best tool to learn vocabulary faster and easily without memorizing every day thousands or hundreds of words or phrases. This app is called Anki. I'm not sponsoring this app, but I want to share this app with you because it's a great tool to memorize vocabulary and in consequence to improve your speaking, your writing, even listening and reading too. In this app, you need to put phrases in a deck. For example, now I found this phrase. I'm going to put it on my desk of phrases and the app will show the phrase in some days but no some long. Now I'm going to share with you what you can do with this powerful tool. Number 1, Duolingo plus Anki. You probably heard about Duolingo is a bad app, it doesn't work to learn a new language, and that's completely wrong. In my personal experience, it's very useful to learn any language you want. Well, it's not 100% complete, but it's a great tool. Like for example watching videos is not a complete resource at all. It's the same. When you saw a new word, a new phrase in Duolingo, you will take a screenshot and then you will put that phrase in an Anki flashcard. For example, now in this case, I put this phrase and I save it. Now Anki will show me that phrase in a few days and I will review that phrase. And it depends Anki plus your mind. If sometimes you are in a highway or in the market, supermarket, the mall, and you think one sentence in Spanish and you try to translate it in English and you don't know, write it down in a piece of paper or directly in your Anki flashcard. You can do it also. It's a great manner to improve your vocabulary and in consequence your speaking. For example, let's take the example in a word in Spanish. Marco me iba a invitar a su fiesta. In my case, I didn't know how to translate that sentence in English and I looked it up in the Google Translate. I saw that is Marco was going to invite me to his party. Just that sentence, I put it on one flashcard in Anki and yes, that's all, and you learn a new vocabulary. How to put correctly an Anki flashcard. In the above part, you will put the phrase in your target language. In the part of the answer, you will put in your native language or a little description in your target language too. Now I'm going to share with you how I study with my flashcards one random day.